guys, I'm here to show you how to increase your intensity on the leg extension. I'm gonna show you 3 different techniques. Go ahead. We're gonna go ahead and start with negatives. Go. Good. So we're gonna do your standard set. Keep going. Normally, again, anywhere from 8 to 15 reps. And then as you start to get a little tired and you want to increase that intensity, good, 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 go. Oh yeah, there you go. I'm gonna help her a little bit. Good. Now we're gonna do some negatives. So here we go. Now hold it. That's it, fight me. Good, good. Up, up, good. Now I'm pushing against that. There you go, I'm pushing against her. Good, that's good. One more like that. Good. There you go, good. That's it, that's it, that's it, that's it. Now I'm gonna help her up, go, go. Now we're gonna do slow, slow, slow. Come down slowly, come down slowly. Good, go up, hold it, and go down, down slowly, slowly. Legs are shaking, it means you're working. Let's go, up, up. Good, good. Now we're gonna do partials all the way down. Partials, touch, touch, go, go, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, good job. So what we did was we started off with doing negatives, then I went assisted reps, and then at the very end we did partials. So again, that's the way to be able to increase intensity, get overall size and fullness in those legs to get that really, really nice developed core.